everyone, Michelle McCarthy here from Homeschooling in the Pines. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in an ongoing collaboration with April from the Simple Rugged Path, in where we are going to be sharing our curriculum with you all and reviewing our curriculums. Okay, last week we did a review of our morning time, or sharing our morning time, and to this week we are going to be sharing our math curriculums for the school year. We're going to review, we're going to tell you what we like, what we don't like, and make sure also that you check the playlist below so you can see what everyone else is doing for their math, and you can get some ideas if you are not sure what you want to do next year. This will be a great way for you to get ideas of what everybody else is doing. If you want to share your math curriculum, you can make a video, you can post it in the playlist, so you can add it to this wonderful resource that is going to be out here for others to see. That I'm gonna be sharing with you all, we started this in November of last school year, 2016-2017 school year, and we are using it again this school year. It is Math Lessons for a Living Education. This curriculum was written by Angela Odell and is published by Master Books. If you haven't checked out Master Books, make sure you go ahead and check their website, because they have tons of amazing curriculums. They're Christian based and they are really affordable. That's one of the things that I love. So Math Lesson for a Living Education is inspired by the Charlotte Mason philosophy. So it is a very gentle approach to math. It teaches the why before the how. So it's one of the things that I love about this math curriculum. We were using Matthew C before, and it is a great curriculum, but it wasn't working for us. So we did it for a year and a half, and then we stopped and we started this, and it's just been amazing. My daughter does have a learning disability in math, so we are a little bit behind, a couple years behind on where people said that she should be, but who's behind in homeschooling anyways, right? So, and this program is just being amazing. It has taken a lot of the stress of math. I'm not saying it is her favorite thing yet, or but it's less stressful for us, less frustrating for us to get through our math lesson, and I'm going to show you why in a second. Okay, so Math Lesson from a Living Education starts from level 1 all the way to level 6, and one of the things that I love is that the only thing that you need from level 1 to level 5 is just this book right here. Okay, very little manipulatives that you need. Sometimes it's just things that you have at home, and a lot of the manipulatives are in the back of the book that you can tear and you can laminate and you can use. Okay, so this book is less than $30. You can get it in Master Books, you can get it on Amazon, and Master Books sometimes have some sales, and this is all you need. The only time you will need maybe a couple other things, and the teacher's manual is on level 6. Okay, so right now we are working on level 4, and this book follows from level 1 all the way to level 6. It follows two siblings, Charlie and Charlotte. They are the son and daughter of some missionaries. So this is a Christian-based curriculum, and it follows them. It follows their story. Okay, it's just a beautiful story where God is incorporated in a lot of the lessons. We talk about God, we talk about Jesus in our lessons. So that's one of the reasons that I love it. So each lesson starts with a story with the siblings. So we start the story, and what's in the story relates to what the math that we're going to be doing on that lesson. Each lesson, the book has, let me see how many lessons. I think it's 36 lessons, and each lesson has a day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 activity. Okay, so for each day of the week, you do not have to follow, you can take 2 weeks for one lesson. You can do two lessons in 1 week, whatever works for you, whatever works for your kid. That's one of the reasons I love homeschooling, that you can go as fast as you want to, you can go as low as you want to, just to meet the needs of your child. Okay, so the lesson starts with a story, and the math problems and the math relates to the story. Okay, so it's relatable to your kid. Your kid can relate to it. Okay, so one of the things, okay, so we do the story. This week we are going, next week we're going to be starting long division. So we read the story. We have a quick math review here. It explains long division. And for the lesson for the day, the exercise, we only have 3 problems to do. Isn't that great? You don't want to have a full page full of long division problems, 20, 15 problems. That can be stressful for kids sometimes. You have 3 problems, then it goes and reviews. The next day starts with some multiplication practice, 3 long division problems, and you continue to review. So it kind of spirals through the, through the review every day. But that's, specific skill that you're working that day. Might be 3 to 4 problems, and the rest of it is review. So every day you are reviewing old skills that you have worked, but not in a drill and kill and let's do 20 long division problems, let's do 20 multiplication problems. It's just a couple, okay? So this is one day. This is, I think, let me show you day, because this is the second day, okay? So this one might have 2 pages, okay? I look at the lesson. If it's something that my daughter struggles with, we'll just do 1. If it's something easy that I know she can do it by herself and she can go through it fast, we'll do 2, okay? This is just, it's an amazing curriculum. If you are looking, if you have a child that struggles with math, I recommend this curriculum. It is, because it takes things really slow at a good pace. It's really child friendly. It's very gentle. That's one of the things that I love about Charlotte Mason, is that it's just, she wanted kids to be taught in a gentle way, okay? We teach the kid, so it's just gentle, and we don't want to drill and kill our kids with math facts and things like that, okay? So this is a wonderful curriculum. If you have any questions about it, please make sure you post them below. I will answer them as best as I can. I will point you in the right direction. Masterbooks has a Facebook page. And one of the things that I love about Masterbooks is like the author of the book is readily available. I had a couple of questions sometimes, and I post the question, and the author of the book answers the questions for you. So that's great, and other people just help. It's just a great curriculum. Like I said, if you have a kid that struggles with math, or math is not their favorite thing, this is a great curriculum. It is a Christian-based curriculum, so it talks about Jesus, talks about praying, talks about God. So if you don't want that in your curriculum, this might not be for you. But if you're looking for Christian-based, this is just amazing, okay? So I hope this was helpful. Make sure to check the playlist below. I can't wait to check everyone's math curriculums too, so you can see what everyone else is doing. Okay? Again, my name is Michelle McCarthy from Homeschooling in the Pines, and I will see you soon.